How's it going, guys? I'm Colin Schweigert. I'm a naval architect here at MasterCraft Boat Company, and today we're going to be talking about the MasterCraft XT21. So the XT21 is a traditional bow boat that offers a classic look. It's also extremely customizable, so you can option the boat to however you prefer. And it offers room for 14 people and also features our GEN2 Surf System, which gives you the best wakes in the industry. So the length of the XT21 is 21 feet 4 inches, and if you're comparing against an IO, which generally includes the length of the swim platform, it's 23 feet 5 inches, and the dry weight is 4,800 pounds. So XT21, like I said, is a traditional bow boat with a full walkthrough up from the cockpit into the bow. You can add an optional filler cushion that makes this whole area a playpen, perfect little spot for the kids to hang out and play in. We also offer deep storage and an anchor compartment up front. So the XT21 has several different dash options. We've got our 7-inch touchscreen, which we've got on this boat. It's also our most popular. And then we also have our dual screen option, which features a 10 and a 12-inch screen. And finally, down here out of the sun is a spot for your phone that also features wireless charging. So the XT21 offers a large cockpit with comfortable deep seating with special attention paid to the ergonomics of the seats. On the port side here, we have a large storage with enough room for a board that communicates all the way through to the bow. Just after that, on the port side as well, we have deep storage all the way down to the hull bottom. And then we have our convertible flip seat, which offers room for 2 aft-facing seats to watch all the action happening behind the boat. And then also on the starboard side, we have a dedicated spot for the cooler. For flooring options, we have Decadence, SeaDek, and Carpet. This boat is outfitted with tan carpet. So the XT21 offers 3 different tower options. We've got the ZFT2, which is the standard. We've got the ZFT4, which is what we've got here, and it's also the most popular of our tower options. This tower features clamping board racks that swivel in and out. They offer a locking mechanism here that allow you to drop the tower down very easily. Up here we've got our Bimini, which is the easiest in the industry to operate, offers plenty of shade, and it's available on all 3 of our tower options. On this tower, you can go for a clean look with no speakers, or you can option to have 2 or 4 speakers. Finally, we have our ZFT7, which is a hydraulic tower, which is actuated by a switch at the dash. So XT21 offers a nice wide sun pad for laying out. It also offers a SeaDek walkthrough over the center here so that you can get from the water and into your boat without stepping on any of your upholstery. This boat in particular has been optioned lightly, but if you prefer, you can option it with transom audio control as well as sun pad flip-up seating for hanging out in the party cove. So the XT21, like all of our models, is equipped with a GEN2 Surf System. This comprises of the profiles we have at the helm, the wake shaping devices here at the transom, and the ballast strategically located throughout the boat. This gives us the ability to deliver the most customizable and versatile wakes in the industry. It also gives you the ability to utilize auto launch, which helps you get on plane quicker and with minimal bow rise. So the XT boats have 3 different engine options. We've got a 6-liter, which is 373 horsepower. We have a 5.3-liter engine, which is what this is. It's a close-cooled 365 horsepower engine. And then finally, our close-cooled 6.2-liter engine, which is 430 horsepower. Here at MasterCraft, we build our trailers in-house, which gives you plenty of customability. We have different wheel options. You can also color match your trailer to match your boat, and every trailer is built proprietary to the hull form. We also have a 5-year, 500-hour warranty with MasterCare. If you have any other questions, contact your local dealer or go to mastercraft.com.